Welcome back, I'm Quinnan, and today we're going to be adding some more pages to our website and the links so that we can go from page to page very easily on our website. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is go back. So we're going to open up what we had before. We're going to open up with I'm just using a basic text editor here. The default text editor. We'll make this a little bit larger. Alright, so we're just going to make a copy of this page here, so we because we need the second page, right? So we just open that. We just hit Control A to select everything, and then hit Control C to copy everything. Hit Control N for a new page. All right. So then once we get into there, hit Control V, and we've got everything the same as before. So we just want to erase all that. We'll erase all of this because this is where we are going to put some buttons. Alright, so then we're going to have greater than symbol, and then we want to type UL, and then a less than symbol. After we do that, you want to do another greater than symbol, type LI, and less than symbol. And then another less than symbol, a spacebar, and then HREF. Alright, and then you want to type equals, and then in quotations we do period dash, and then we use the title of our main page. So our home page is right now is going to be the website.html, the very first HTML page that we made. So then we type website.html. Alright, once you've got that, just end up the quotations there and end up with a greater than symbol. And then after you do that, we want a button here to push. So we type home. So now this will display some text to the screen of the link. Less than symbol, divided by A, and then greater than symbol, and a less than symbol divided by LI, and then a greater than symbol. Alright, so now we're all set to go. Hit Control Save. Go to desktop, HTML, and then we want to name it second page.html. Make sure that you have the HTML file extension at the end of it, and just hit save. Alright, so then we'll minimize that a second, and we've got second page right here. So we double click that, and we've got our website. It looks pretty close to the same, except we've got this button here. Now if we click on this button, it brings us to our home page. So now we're going to want to tweak things up a little bit. Because this isn't exactly correct, we kind of want our home button to be off to the left here or across the top, which across the top would actually be pretty nice. So to close out of this for a minute, so we'll go back into our second page here. We'll copy this whole line here, hit enter, and hit Control V, and then we'll replace all of that we'll replace the link that we created in there, and we'll add some text. So we'll use another report again. Use old history report. Hit Control Alt, Control C. Now this is going to be quite a bit larger. So in here we just hit Control V. So we've got quite a bit here. So it'll give us a good example test here. Oop. Hit enter. There we go. Alright. So now the only thing is that we don't have a link back to this page. So once we go to the home page, we don't have a link back. So we'll just want to save this a quick second. I just hit Control S because it's really easy. So we want to copy this line again, go into the website, and right underneath HR, we hit Control V. Alright, so now the only thing that we want to do differently is change this here, and we're going to change it to second, and then we'll just say page 2. Alright, so now once it lines up with the second page, hit Control S again. Alright, so now we'll open up our main page here. Alright, so now here we've got page 2, and if we click on it, we go to page 2 where we have quite the story here. And it turns out pretty nice, I'd say. Like, it's not perfect, but we can switch between pages. Now, the one thing is you notice with most websites that the home page doesn't disappear when you click on it on the next page. So what we'll want to do is right here, we copy this A in here, Control C, Control V, and then we do website. Alright, so we're just going to test this a quick second, have it saved. Now these should go side by side. Alright, so now, alright, so we've got, everything seems to be working. So I'm just going to change that a quick second, but basically we've got our home page right here, which brings us back to our main website, our main page, and page 2. I gotta rename them a little bit. So we go back and we give we call it home, hit Control C, backspace, and we put this. Alright, so now that we have home as our main one, we want to copy all of this whole line, and replace it on our second page, which will be right here. So Control V. So now second page will always be to the right, and page 1, or the main page, will always be to the left. So save those both, and we start with our main website. So get home and then page 2. So we click on home, page 2, and it switches. Alright, so we got 2 working web pages, and we got 2 links there. So we're going to make them look a lot nicer. We're going to add some, them look like buttons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you had a good Christmas, had some happy holidays, and have a happy New Year's. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.